for more updates coming in. The Delhi court has dismissed the regular bail application moved by Tahir Hussain, Salim Malik and Athar Khan in the larger conspiracy case regarding the Northeast Delhi riots 2020. The court observed that the allegations levelled against him are prima facie true and that as such the embargo under section 43D5 applies. My colleague Deepankar is joining us on the broadcast with the details. No relief coming in for Tahir Hussain and the others. What are the details of what the court has said?
Well, yes, the Delhi Karkaduma court has refused the bail application, refused to grant bail to Tahir Hussain, Salim Malik and Athar Khan in the larger conspiracy case that was registered against them in respect to the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots. And while refusing these bail while refusing the bail application, while dismissing those bail applications, in fact, the court had observed that the allegations that were levelled against all the three accused were prima facie true. The court noted that the court had earlier has also gone into the merits of the cases that were registered against them in this particular larger conspiracy case, and had also refused to grant bail at that point of time as well. So the court had said that there is at the current moment the allegations that are levelled against these three accused are prima facie true, and as such the 43D5 provision, that is of the UAPA Act, comes into play, and the embargo imposed upon the people who are being tried under the UAPA provisions will be imposed on these three accused as well, and as such they cannot be granted bail at the current moment of time. So this was the observation that the Delhi Karkaduma court observed while refusing to grant bail to Salim Malik, Athar Khan and Tahir Hussain in this larger conspiracy case.
Okay, all right. Deepankar, thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break here. We'll be right back.